Hey man, after rehearsal, man, these niggas is in here in the subway and they're doing the most. Okay, let me get 5.
4, 3, 2, 1, out. Oh yeah.
What y'all getting?
What's up with y'all, man? We at Subway, man. Homie just left the gym. Rehearsal's finna get it in. I got mine. This nigga taking hella long. On the way last minute.
So what are you eating? What is that like?
I'm eating.
Is that low fat, but 7 grams?
Extra tomatoes. No fats. You gotta have that 6-pack for the babes. The steak peak.
6-pack for the babes.
I mean, all tomatoes. Man, all onions. No, I only fuck with onions and tomatoes. So I'm lying. I mean,
Hi there.
I wanna get the preview. Hold on, look. I wanna get the sweet onion chicken teriyaki. I got 2 sandwiches. I wanna get it on the honey yolk.
Any more?
No. You want some?
Oh no, thank you.
That's it.
Okay, teriyaki on what kind of bread?
Honey yolk. Hey, look, check this out, right? It's going down.
Look at that. See, that's the 7 grams, low fat.
This how I do it, though. I flip it. No tomatoes, no onions, no pickles, no olives. And I get 3 different cheese. I get American cheese, and I get Swiss, and I get...
What's the name of that sandwich right there he's getting?
Chicken teriyaki.
Chicken teriyaki. I heard that's the one that got the most grams. I mean, that's the most fattening.
No, that's actually very low
Cheese,
calorie.
okay? Low calorie.
Low calorie.
Cheese? Yeah, cheese.
It's 760 calories.
That's a lot. 760?
Let me get put cheddar on
For
it
a
too.
foot long.
For a foot long, okay.
For a foot long.
Supposed to be something to eat fresh. That's not a lot.
Because his whole objective is he got to stay fit. He's got a lot of shows coming up, and
It's low calorie.
he's trying to change his diet.
But, no, I heard you say 3 kinds of cheese.
So you killed it. You killed it off instantly.
I mean, you gotta top it off with extra tomatoes. Bro, no tomatoes. Give me like 5 tomatoes. Fat, fresh. No tomatoes. With some cheese.
All the produce is good, but cheese and mayonnaise.
Show the leaves.
Yeah.
You gotta eat the leaves.
See on this sub, they on their real sub a day diet.
They gotta eat the leaves.
All they been eating is they subs.
You gotta eat the leaves.
So man, I'm holding y'all to it, man. Y'all check back. They trying to stay on it. It's green.